Hello everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you how to register for this Google Cloud Arcade Facilitator program 2025. Now the registration form is live and you just need to come to this page. The link, you will find this link in the description box of this video, and from here you have to just click on this Enroll Now button. So once you click on this Enroll Now button, one Google form will open. This is the particular form that you have to submit in order to participate in the Google Cloud Arcade Facilitator program 2025. So let's see what's are in the form, and you have to just fill this form with all the necessary details, and please ensure that all the details you submit is accurate. So first of all, you just need to sign in with your Google account, and please sign in with the Google account that in that you have created your Cloud Skill Boost account. Okay, so from that Google account only you have to submit this Google form. So like right now I'm going to submit with this email ID here. So I have already signed in with this Gmail account in my Chrome tab. So first of all, you just need to click this. You need to check this box to record this email as the email included my response, whatever it is. Now they have mentioned some important steps whose public URL you submit in the form ahead, and where you can reach out to you, where we can reach out to you and we can access the regular basis. So probably you on a mobile phone to receive emails for Google Cloud progress. Okay. So next, the important step is you just need to click on this next button. Here in this page, the terms and conditions are given. So you can just go through these terms and conditions, and you have to just click on this checkbox or uh, that you accept the terms and click on next. Now this page is very important. Please ensure that all the details you fill here is accurate. So first you have to confirm your email address. This is the email address which you have used to create your Cloud Skill Boost account. Uh, so make sure that the email address is totally correct, and I would request to you, please copy the email address from here and paste it here. No need to type at all. Okay, just copy the email address here and paste it here. Just type your full name, okay, your gender. These all are the basic details that you have to fill in here. Now what identifies that okay you are a student, so click student. Now this is one of the most important stuff that you have to fill, your facilitator referral code. So where the facilitator referral code is already given here, you just need to copy from here and paste it over here. Okay, please ensure that the facilitator referral code is correct, otherwise your application may get rejected. So in that case, you need to fill the Google form again. Okay, select the year of graduation. Then, do you have an account on Cloud Skill Boost? Yes, if you have followed my previous video, I have already shared how to create a Cloud Skill Boost account. And if you don't have yet, please click on this link. And once again, I'm showing you how to create your Cloud Skill Boost account. You just need to click on the sign in button and sign up. If you do not have a Cloud Skill Boost account yet, you just need to click on this join button, and from there you must sign in with your Google account. So just sign in with your Google account. If you do not have an account, it will create a new Google account. Otherwise, uh, sorry, it will create a new Cloud Skill Boost account. Otherwise, you will just sign into your Cloud Skill Boost account. Okay. So after signing in, the first thing is you need to go to the settings and you have to make uh, your public profile public. So at the first time here in this section, you will find a link that make your profile public or something like that. You have to click on that, and after that only you will get a link like this. This is the link of your public profile. Okay, and those who are already participated in the arcade like in the previous year or some other session, you must ensure that you do not have any skill badge here. If you already have completed some skill badges in some previous session, you must enroll with a new fresh Cloud Skill Boost account. So please ensure that you do not have any skill badge here. If you have only 2 3 skill badges, then it is fine, but it should not be more than 10 skill badges. Okay. If you have already completed skill badges, you just create a new Gmail account or just sign up with another Google account on this Cloud Skill Boost portal. Okay, that's the thing is important. That thing is important. As you can see, many skill badges are already completed in my profile, but still I am using this ID to sign up to register for this facilitator program because I'm using this ID for this video purpose only. After making your profile public, you will have to come to this page. Just go to settings, and here you will find your public profile URL. So you just need to click on this, and you have to copy this URL very carefully. Just copy from here from the URL bar, and you have to paste it in the next page. Okay, so now you have to check this. Yes, I already have an account with no or few badge completion. Okay, then let's go to next. Yes, so now the instructions have already given here also how to make your Cloud Skill Boost account and how to make your profile public. You can just go through this here. Also, they have given a small video uh, to watch to guide you. Okay, so now here in this section, you just need to paste your public profile URL very carefully without any mistakes. Okay, so I have pasted, just click outside. Now click on next. Another few steps are here. By completing, you just need to acknowledge this, and what will happen when you submit, you can just simply read this for better understanding. Okay, now that's it. Next, you have to just click on this submit button, and once you click on submit, a copy of your response will be emailed to you. Please check that you have submitted your correct credentials, correct details from your email as well. However, if you have, suppose you have made some mistake, in that case, you just need to submit the Google form again with the correct details. Okay, so that's all about it. You just need to click on the submit button and you are done. So this is how you have to enroll for this Arcade Facilitator program. So here you can see that it can take up to 24 to 48 hours to receive your enrollment email. So after you submit the Google form, after 24 to 48 hours, you will receive the confirmation mail that you have successfully enrolled for the Google Cloud Arcade Facilitator program. So after that, all the details will be shared in your email itself. So that's all for this time. And please keep this site bookmarked in your Chrome or whatever browser you are using here so that you can simply open this up anytime. So that's all about it. And if you have any doubt, you can simply join to our Telegram group. All the details, more further information will be shared here. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you.